how much do you know about the meticulous work that goes into your morning espresso? The process extends far beyond the barista's skilled hands and the fresh beans. Today, we're stepping behind the counter and into the world of espresso machine technicians. Picture Alex, a seasoned espresso machine technician with a twinkle in his eye that only comes from a profound love for his craft. To him, every espresso machine is a patient, each with its unique symptoms and quirks. As Alex puts it, being an espresso machine technician is akin to being a doctor for coffee makers. In his bustling repair shop, Alex meticulously disassembles an espresso machine, each part examined with a jeweler's precision. Grinder adjustments, pump pressure calibration, it's more than just remedying issues. Alex is an artist, sculpting the perfect cup of espresso through his technical expertise. But what about the perspective of the coffee shops that rely on Alex's expertise? We visit a local cafe where the barista, mid-pour, shares her thoughts. Having a reliable technician is crucial. It's like having a guardian for our coffee soul. We rely on Alex to keep the heart of our business beating strong. Back in the workshop, we witness the delicate art of descaling an espresso machine. Alex explains, maintenance is key. Descaling removes mineral deposits, ensuring the longevity of the machine and preserving the purity of the coffee flavor. As the day draws to a close, Alex, surrounded by a chorus of repaired espresso machines, reflects on his work. "I love what I do," he shares with a smile. "It's not just about fixing machines, it's about contributing to the joy that a perfect cup of espresso brings. It's an art, and I take pride in being the guardian of that art." Today we've seen the vital role that espresso machine technicians like Alex play in the journey from coffee bean to the perfect cup of espresso. They are the unsung heroes, the caretakers of our daily caffeine ritual. Their meticulous work ensures that every sip of espresso you take is a testament to their dedication and passion. And so, the next time you savor your morning espresso, spare a thought for the guardians of the coffee soul, the espresso machine technicians.